My name's Rick Finney. I'm the owner of MR Mold and Engineering in Brea, California. We specialize in building molds for the silicone and the plastics industry. One of the main reasons why we are involved in the silicone industry so heavily is we needed to find a niche. And back around 2000, we started trying to develop it as a niche. And we opened a tech center. We bought molding machines so that we could test and sample the tools. We started developing a cold runner system. We use a cold runner system to deliver the silicone to the cavities. In the plastics industry, everybody's familiar with hot runner systems to deliver the melted plastic to the cavities. While in the silicone business, it's a thermoset material, so we need to protect it from heat until it's in the cavity. So we have water-cooled cold runner systems. This is a device to deliver the material to the cavity and try to avoid waste, because the silicone, once it's cured, there's no regrind, there's no melting it, reusing it. Once it's cured, it's a thermoset material and it's permanent. So we don't want to have a runner system. The other problem with silicone is it flashes very easily. And so because of that problem, our tools have to be extremely accurate. So we commenced purchasing a Yazda machine. And in particular, we purchased a 5-axis machine because we needed this for the types of cavities and cores that we make. We tend to make very complex three-dimensional shapes that this is just an example of a dust mask or a painter's mask that is made from silicone. And as you can see, it's got fairly complex geometry with items that are coming in at an angle. There's a core that goes inside this that has to hollow this out. And so that core required many setups to be able to machine from all these different axes. And we build a lot of this kind of tooling. And so a 5-axis machine gives us the capability to reposition the product or the cavities and cores on the machine all in one setup. We reconsider the programming software that we use. And I did a little research of my own. I went on their websites, and in particular, the Hypermill, the website was very impressive. And one of the real selling points is when I looked at their testimonials and their list of customers and their installed base, I realized that this is the software manufacturers use. And we chose this software because we felt it was the best out there that would make this 5-axis machine do what we want it to do and do what we need it to do. We just got done doing a very nice product that it's a massage ball. So it's a ball with a whole series of spikes sticking out of it, going out in 360 directions. And if we had to build that tool a year ago with our older technology, we would have had no choice but to make a whole series of electrodes, probably some electrodes machined from standing position, some electrodes machined from a side position, then go on the EDM machine and then vector in these electrodes. You know, I was estimating that there would have probably been at least 2 days worth of manufacture on the electrodes and probably 2 days of EDM time on each half of that mold. And our guys machined that mold in 1 day. They had one half machined in the morning, and at lunchtime they machined the second half. It was done 1 day. So that machine and that software is already paying for itself. We were able to eliminate all the EDM operations and do all the work on the high-speed mill with the 5-axis and the Hypermill software writing the code. We definitely feel like we made the right choice. So we're pleased with the software, and we're also pleased with the machine tool.